This is the Old Guy Network.
Before we get started with the video, I just want to thank everyone who's gone to my coffee page and bought me cups of coffee to help support the channel. I've got a lot of unboxings coming up, I really do. I'm getting a bunch of different tools in, and we're going to have some contests, but I need your help. Please go over to my coffee page and just buy a cup of coffee. It's a couple of bucks and it helps support the channel and the unboxings and yada yada yada. You get the idea. And here's a video for you. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG. Jay, you know who you are. Well, I've been busy looking at old photographs, and I came across a few of my dad and my mom too, but I've been looking at the ones of my dad. As you can see, this has been told to me by several people that I'm starting to look more and more like my father every day. And, I'm not going to deny that. It's happening. He actually had more hair, though. When he passed away, he had more hair than I have now. So, he had that going for him. But my dad, he was the greatest guy in the world. And one of the things that makes us similar now is that my dad's belly started getting bigger as he got older, and he lost his ass. It happens to older guys. Your ass diminishes. I think King of the Hill actually did a whole episode about diminished glute syndrome. But it happens, and it's been happening to me. So my dad decided back when he was, about my age, I guess, to get rid of his belt and start using suspenders. So I've always looked at suspenders as something older people use, but I'm getting to the point now where belts are just not working. So I got on the interwebs the other day and I ordered 2 sets of suspenders. And I figured, what the heck, why not do an unboxing on my new suspenders? Because there's a lot of old guys out there keep pulling their pants up and can't figure out why they can't hold their pants up anymore. No matter how many times they cinch up their belt, well, you're probably losing your butt. So when that happens, you can do this. You can just do what I did. You can order some suspenders or just go down to a local store and buy some. I just prefer doing stuff online, especially nowadays, right? I mean, we're encouraged to do that. So this is what I got. They're both exactly the same. Well, we'll put those over there for now. I ordered 2. It was a little cheaper to order 2 sets. So I did that just in case, one of them breaks or whatever. They do wear out after a while. I don't know how long they last. But my dad was always, he had to change his up every once in a while, so I thought I would do this. It's so sad. This means that I'm getting older, but I have a YouTube channel called Old Guy Network, so I guess that's appropriate. And that's it. That's pretty much it. I just got the plain old brownish, tannish ones, and this is what I'm going to look like from now on. As long as it keeps my pants up, I don't care. That's my unboxing for today. I guess you adjust these. How do you do this now? Oh, yeah, okay. You just lift up this little thing here and then pull that through, and it adjusts it, and then you clip the one to the back of your pants. So I'm going to get rid of my belt. That's going to be gone. And I had to say goodbye to my ass a long time ago. I don't know what happened to it. It just disappeared. So I'll say goodbye to that and say hello to my new suspenders. That's my life right now. Suspenders. Yeah, that's where I am. So what do you think? Is this a good look for me? Some clown's going to walk up and do this, right? Ow. Yeah. I know that's going to happen quite a few times. But I don't care because now I won't lose my pants. I mean, I've actually gone into a crosswalk before and, dropped my pants right in the middle of it. Not meaning to, but, it does happen. So suspenders, that's the answer to gravity. So I'm just going to incorporate that in my personality and throw my belt away. I've had that belt a long time, too. So that's it. That's my big unboxing for today, and I thank you for joining me. If you like this video, if you got a little bit of a chuckle out of it, please hit that like button, hit that share button, show it to your friends. Why not? And subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you do subscribe, that way you won't miss any of the videos. I'll have more stuff for you later on. You know me, I'm the old guy, and on this Anything Can Happen Wednesday, I'm out.